So I'm on my second to last job now. This is a real nice project. Just chatting to the lady then. She wants a price to do the whole back of the house and the front of the house, having new windows fitted soon. Not sure it's going to fit with our timeline though, so it might be a case of actually having the windows done first and then us coming in after to do all of the brick restoration. So what the lady wants is all of it done professionally. It has been done in the past. I think maybe there was a paint on the brickwork and it's been sandblasted. Done in real bad sand and cement in a weather-struck finish. So she wants it all taken back to its proper original features. Do some lovely features of the tuck pointing, all in the red decorative brickwork and maybe a nice penny roll finish. She wants us to hone in all the original stone back, get rid of all of the carbon deposits all on the stonework. She's having a big extension done on the back as well, so they want me to do the back first. And then we'll talk about timelines for this and see if we can work around the window company or if they can hold off for the windows. And she's really keen for us to do this professionally, so just been having a good chat to her then. She's seen quite a lot of our work around the corner. A couple we've done on Mancini Road around the corner last year, and one of her friends have had her house pointed by us as well. So yeah, this is just another job that hopefully get and restore it back to its original features professionally. So keep updated and see what the outcome of this one is. Thank you very much.
Okay, so this is a new project starting this morning in Blackheath in South East London. We are starting the back of the house first before we get onto the big side elevation and then the front. I looked at this job a few months back, if you remember. The front of the house, we're going to do that after the new year as well. The customers just had all new windows in and then they want all of the front of this one done. So if you remember this one here, so we're going to do the front, this side, and like I say, we're starting off at the back. So what we're doing today is we've got the doff machine out. We're going to be doff cleaning all the brickwork on the back of the property. Got some paint to remove on lower level here as well, so I'm going to be removing all of the paint from here. Customers having an extension done here, which is coming out flush to here, so we're not touching that. And then all the brickwork that, like I say, is going to be brick clean, strip the paint off, and then we are doing a flush finish on all of the brickwork. Let's get up here on the back of the property, and then we're going to be making a nice feature out of all of the arches. There's quite a few arches to do here, so this is a nice job. We're going to be stripping all of the paint off all of the window sills as well, squaring all of the window sills up once we strip all of the paint off. So like I say, just here this morning. Lads are firing up the doff machine now. That's getting nice and hot now. And then we'll start doff cleaning all this brickwork and start getting all this clean today. So I will show you some more progress and updates on this project in the next few days. Hopefully be over here myself doing a bit of cutting out and pointing for a change instead of painting. And if you've got any questions, as always, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much.
Okay, so let's give you a walk around of everything we're going to be doing on this project. So all of the stonework you can see here, we're going to be honing all of this back to original stone. So it's got really dirty over the years, a lot of carbon deposits all over these stonework. So what we're going to do is hone all of that back, bring in all the original profiles back, get all that lovely and sharp. A few stone repairs to do on the corners there, so we'll put some nice new indents on there. A couple of more repairs to work to do over in that corner. And then it looks like it has been cleaned in the past before. I'm not sure if they had paint on here before they bought the property, so we're going to clean all of this brickwork up, cut out and replace all of the damaged bricks where needed, and then all of this red banding of Brickwork, we will tuck point all of the features on here. So when you look up at the stonework there, you can see we're going to bring all that back, right back to the original stone. This is going to look really nice when this is all done. Ladies just had all new windows done, so we've got to protect all the glass, sheet everything up perfectly, making sure they're protected. But yeah, all of the, I'll see if we can find some of the original tuck in areas. So again, all of the honing in around the stonework, all around the front door, that'll all be done. All of the nice detail, red brick, red banding all the way through there will be done. We're also doing the side, we're not repointing the whole side, but we've got customers getting some damp, so I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, once we clean all of this up and we do some nice putty work on there, it's going to really, really stand out. Right, up here, all the balcony area, again, this will all be cleaned and brought back to life. Probably some repair work to do on the stonework here, so that's nothing we can't sort out, so that'll all be done there. Let me just stand back and just show you how all that looks. So that'll all be taken care of. Again, all of the stonework here, all of this will all be cleaned. More indents to do, where you can just see how it's just wearing away now. A lot of the pointing, again, it's all been done in sand and cement, so all of this is all hollow and blown. A few cracks in the brickwork here. Right, upstairs, next lift, to show you up there. Where's the access point? Here we go. Right, so up here. So we are pointing both sides of the stacks from this level all the way up to the top. I'll get up there in a minute and show you. Customers getting a lot of damp, so I'm going to check all the lead work behind the stacks in a minute, see if that's all okay. But you can see the deterioration on the pointing up here. It's just like dust now, so yeah, it's just all crumbling away. Again, bricks that need replacing on there. You've got some lovely archwork. We'll doff clean all of this panelling through here, make that look really nice. Tuck point all of the arches all the way through there. So we've got lovely details, got lots of detail on this property. So all of this detail will bring right back. Some little flowers just to restore there. More keystones to restore there. The window heads will restore them as well. And then up here on the top lift, same sort of thing. Going to get rid of this horrible sand and cement pointing. It's horrible weather struck. Restore all that properly. Up on the top gable, we'll do under the fillets, under the slates here, where it's just all come away. We'll do all of this properly, get all that looking nice and sharp. Right, upstairs, last elevation now. Just all of this work up here. We'll clean all of that up and tuck point all of this. Right, let me show you these stacks. First time I've had a little look at these stacks, so let's have a little look at these stacks, see what we're working with on here. Let's have a look. I'll show you around the back in a minute as well, what we've done before Christmas on the back. Oh. Right, where's my access point up here? Okay. Right, so we're going to be pointing all of these stacks all the way through. Both of these. Oh dear. I think we've got some pointing to do down this section of the wall all the way down there as well. There's been a lot of patchwork done in the past, so we're going to do that as well. Right, let's have a look up here. And then these stacks here. Yeah, a bit of mastic work, don't look too great on the lead work there. So I'll get my roofer to come out, address all of that, make sure that's all watertight, but things like this where the water's all coming in, running off of there, possibly getting in through there. So both of these stacks, I'll get the ladders up, check all of the flaunching on these as well. Yeah, see some bricks that are blown up here. He's got big holes in the brickwork there, so make all that watertight. And then there's the back of the property that we've done before Christmas. So I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, this is what we'll be doing over the next couple of weeks now. get the lads on this tomorrow. They can start on here, start the side, on the front, whatever they want to start first. And we'll transform this back to its former glory, because this is going to look an absolute showpiece once we finish with this. I'm pretty sure the customer might end up going for the whole repointing on this side, because it doesn't look in great condition, to be fair. So I will speak to them once we get underway and see if they do want to do a little bit more work on the side. But let's just give you a quick, show you the back quickly while I'm here. So the back of the house we doff cleaned last year, having a nice big extension done on the back in a few months' time. So we stripped all of the paint off the low level, cleaned all of the brickwork, we've got the sills, we've prepared all of the window sills now, so new windows have gone in, so we've flush pointed, done all of the arches. This was all covered in paint, so we've stripped all of that off, all the arches again there. We've just got these seals to put a drip mould in underneath the window sills, square them up and repoint them. Oh, we're also, yeah, if I remember rightly, lady would like that pebble dust taken off and the smooth render put on there. Let's just show you upstairs. So all of this is going to be knocked through and coming out from that level. All of this will be nice and opened up, but yeah, give a little close up with it. All the arches now, the penny roll. Right, show you upstairs quickly. Oh dear. Okay, let's have a look at these. Oh. So yeah, I think we've got about 6 or 7 seals just to rub down and restore now. But you can see all the penny roll done. Look how good that penny roll looks. Done to perfection, done properly. Look how sharp them beds are. Razor sharp. Right, so the new windows have gone in. They've actually trimmed them windows, so that's good. So yeah, it looks like on the back then it's just a case of the window sills to be rubbed down, drip moulds in and painted. So their roofers are doing some work on the back as well. So yeah, this has all been just a nice, like I say, doff clean on the back, and then the flush finish all the way through. So there you go. So we will get cracking on this one tomorrow and Friday, and then I will show you some progress, how we're getting on in the next couple of weeks once it's all been cleaned and we start raking out. So as always, if you've got any questions about this project or you'd like a free quotation for any services on your own property, as always, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much. Welcome back to London Repointing and Restoration, where every project is a step towards passion and precision. And today we're down here in Blackheath. So this is an update video of our project we've been working on for around about the last 4 weeks. So what we've done so far in this project is brick cleaned all the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a combination of a flush finish and a penny roll finish and all of the red features. Then what else we've done is taken all of the stonework back to original stone. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough, show you a little close up of how it all looks. So we've got a little bit of stone restoration work left on the balcony area there, so I'll give you a walkthrough and show you what we're doing up there. So I was just chatting to the customers then. I've just got back from a holiday, got all of the scaffold down for them, and they're literally gobsmacked how good it looks. So comparing it to the house next door, this was pre-pointed in sand and cement in a weather-struck finish. So if you scroll back to our previous videos, you will see how this project looked before we started. So and now it's completely been restored back to its former glory. So let's give you a little walk through. So like I say, all of the stonework has all been honed in and taken back to natural stone. All around the front door area there, you've got the penny roll pointing coming down the brickwork there against the flush finish there on the stock brickwork. Upstairs, so a lot of man hours went into this to get this to the standard it is. So you can just see how beautiful everything is starting to take shape. Got a few little stone joints left to point up, one there while we're doing that area on the balcony there. But you can see the detail in the stonework, all been honed in. All of the work on the balcony, you can see how nice that's all looking now, all taken back to stone. All the old black carbon deposits all being removed from all the stone. So up on this area here, this was all covered in sand and cement, so someone had re-rendered all this in sand and cement. So we've got the original stone back, taken it all the render off, honed in all the original stone, but the repair work to the balcony has had real bad repairs done in the past with concrete, where they've just thrown a load of render over the top of this. So we've taken that back. I've got a guy coming next week to look at doing some restoration on this ironwork for the customer. But again, you can see all of the detail in the stonework, all honed in, looking amazing as always. Then you've got the flush pointing up against the penny roll pointing there. Let me take you upstairs. So we're back here on Monday. We're going to be doff cleaning the whole side of the house now. It wasn't down to clean the side. The customer was just having it, some sections repointed on both of these chimney stacks, but now they want it all cleaned as well. So we'll be back doing that on Monday. But you can see how beautiful all this is taking shape. You can look at the stone now. That's sanded back, that is perfect and smooth. So that'll all be sealed at the end of the job. So all of the window heads all looking lovely and sharp, all the detail right in underneath all of the windows. All of the floral panelling, that's all been restored and honed in as well. Then upstairs on the gable, again, all of these floral details all been rubbed back, filled and restored. And then up here on the gable, again all right into the lead work, all been cleaned and repointed. And then all the detail work going right up to the gable there. Here's some really nice features in this project. So we've just got one final wash down to do left on the front. Once we come to do the cleaning on the side, the boys are going to do a nice final wash down on that, but you can see how much this detail's gone into the pointing on here. So like I say, just some more work left to do on the balcony, then we'll get all that painted for them as well, get that ironwork restored and painted, and then we can get the scaffolding down. So this is a really nice house, beautiful project. Like I say, customers just got back from holiday and they're absolutely over the moon with how everything has come out. We just cracked on while I was away on holiday. They left us to it, left us a set of keys, and we just cracked on and got all the dirty dusty work done for them while I was away. So it's always nice for that when a customer trusts us that much to leave us a key and we can just crack on, get on with it, and then when they get back all the work is done. So there you go. So again, if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you as always. Thank you very much.